I need to work up some tenon pins for the rafter assembly. There are three pins I need. Here's one that's already made. I had these before for the main structure, this length, and but they're a little bit fat for what I need here. I want to make sure that I can get a 3/4 inch wrench around this. That seems to work. These are octagon shaped on the sawhorse here. So I'm taking an existing pin that I was going to use in the structure that's left over, and I want to get this down to a size. I can't get this 3/4 wrench around there, so I need to shave off a little bit of these octagons. And the shortness makes it hard to hold these things. Yeah. And I need to also, let me see how I'm doing there. Yeah, there we go. It's, I think that'll work. But I need to give this a little taper down here at the end. It's not like I don't have any offset holes for draw boring, so this doesn't have to taper like those pins that go into the main structure. But I just want it to. Okay, so that's good enough. I'll just saw this in two, and then I'll have 3 pins that'll work.